What's up, y'all? So, this is a 22-inch HD medium cap lace from westkisshAIR. Now, this one, I ain't gonna lie to you. She kind of gave me the blues. This bonnet, by the way, is my new favorite bonnet. It ain't too big, it ain't pink, and it stays on. I like the elastic on it, so it comes with the HD caps, which I love. It comes with the baby hair toothbrush, duh. You know, I still use my red one, and it comes with a melt band, which I didn't end up using because this is the glueless one for me, and I didn't even go out of my way to even try to do the whole let's paste it down. So yeah, they gave me the cute little bag. They did, however, send it to me in the wrong box, so that's why you don't see the box in the beginning of this. So this is what she looked like. Now, this reminds me of a beauty supply wig only because you know how you get a beauty supply wig and they already curl it for you. Like my granny love these good shake and go moments. They don't got this lace on it though, so it ain't the same. But I do like the pre-cut lace, and I'm gonna get some of these scissors. I think I might already have some that'll cut it like that so it's just not jagged. But yeah, you see my face. I was like, girl, what is up with the church curls? So I wanted to see where we was gonna go with this. I wanted to see what we was gonna do. As you can see in the front, it has a lot of space, which I do like. But you're gonna see because I had a wig on prior to this that was a full frontal unit. So you're gonna see if I would have left my hair out with these, I never put the stocking cap usually simply because it's just unnecessary. So of course with curls, I ran my fingers through it, and the first thing that I did notice about this was the fact that it was really, really flat at the top. Now, y'all know I got a big face, so I was like, "Oh, baby, I don't know how this is gonna look." But you know, I'm always one here for a good old challenge. So this is what it looked like as I ran my fingers through it. This was out the bag. I didn't put no product in it or anything. I also wanted to make sure with this wig too, because some people be like, you know, I don't know how to cut like y'all. Like, I don't know what I should do type of thing. So I was like, okay, try to do a style where you do not cut the hair, the lace. I didn't bleach the knots. Even though you can on this one because they aren't pre-bleached, it wasn't necessary. You won't. They're so small and insignificant. It's not going to change. It's not going to make a difference. Anyway. So as you can see, I just was going through it because I wanted to see, like, is it gonna get snagged? Are these factory curls? Did somebody curl this with an iron? It has a bit of a layer in the back of it, but it's really at the bottom. Um, but yeah, it was just really flat at the top, and I'm just like, I do not know what I'm gonna do. So here we are, Baldy Grinaldi killing the game. So here it is. I just put it on, big face and all, put it on, and I liked it. But as you can see right there at the top, it just looks really weird because it's so flat. Usually I have a lot more volume at the top of my hair just because it sits better too, and then also you gotta adjust it too because sometimes my wigs be too far down. I got a bun back in the back of my head too, so keep that in mind too. So put a little bit of I did my makeup, so I would just grab that. Don't wash your beauty blender yet. Just grab it, put a little bit on there, and then you're good. And it really didn't necessarily need it. Had I cut that cap some more, see, you just gotta pull her back. Just a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so it looks great. This is straight out the bag. I didn't do nothing but run my fingers through it and then put it on. So I was like, it's cool. I like it. It looks really nice. But I wanted to know what other options, because see, the thing is, if you wear it like this and the wind blows and you have a little bit of hair out on the side where that cap is at, you'll be fine. But my whole thing is can you, yeah, that can we move it? And quite frankly, I didn't think it was gonna work. I didn't think I was gonna like this at all. And I moved it and I was like, wait, hold on, wait. Now obviously I would not wear my part straight up like that, but we're here just for the sake of this is coming out of the bag like this, guys. This is fresh out of the bag. Or 2 years ago, this wasn't an option. 3 years ago, this was not an option fresh out of the bag. This would have took me a few hours to pluck, bleach, curl, then apply. This is straight. So they're understanding, they're getting it. I'm shaking the camera clearly. They understood it. So I'm like, okay, let's see. But one thing that was just bothering me was the fact that it was just simply so flat. So it looks better like this than it does. So I'm like, okay, I know you're thinking, if it's flat, why are you gonna put hairspray? Because I was trying to get the flyaways to lay down because I did like it like this. Now you see in the front, this bang piece. Wait for this part though. Just wait for this. This is fresh out the bag again. Boom, I didn't do that. I didn't even curl that. I didn't put no more heat on this wig. That it came like this. I didn't put no more heat. So I tried it. How is it on the other side? She didn't work. I didn't like that. Now it's crooked again. Alright, so I'm still like, what can you do? What can you do? So I was like, okay, the inner Jizzy in me popped out. So I repositioned it to the middle. And I said, where's my hairspray? And baby, we sprayed. And then we sprayed again, and we sprayed, and we spraying, and we kept spraying, and then we were spraying some more, and then we was spraying, and we was scrunching, and we was spraying, and then we spraying, and then we were spraying some more, and we sprayed, and we sprayed. So after that, I ran my fingers through it, and you see how much more energy it just gave the top of this wig? Because of the fact that I put that hairspray in it. Now, obviously, I brushed it out after it dried. And the hairspray is just going to give it some body so it just doesn't look so flat. That was my only thing. Now, you may like flat hair. And, you know, again, it's not for everybody. But I didn't do nothing. I didn't curl it. I did not cut it. I didn't tweeze it. I did not bleach it. I took it out of the bag. I put it on my head. And this is what we got. So, if you're interested, hit up westkisshAIR because this was really, really cute. And I love the fact that I didn't have to do anything. Westkiss just make the tops thicker or curl them harder. That's the only thing that I'm gonna give y'all right now. And that's really it. And as you can see, I was trying to have a slow motion moment, but yeah, I'll catch y'all in my next one.
There's no more smiling, talking to you's like climbing a mountain. We need purging. Where is the fountain? I sense the distance. I feel the silence. Baby, I'm trying to find the problems, but if you don't talk, then I can't solve them.